Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we shall just start creating an app from the scratch. So what we are going to create is an exercise app. So just we can have a dashboard, something like this, what we are gonna develop in the few days. So so let me give an overview of the app what we are going to discuss now. Okay, so first of all, this is an app which is used to calculate or the calorie what you burn during the gym workout and what are the exercises you need to take regularly. And as an extra feature we would also add uh, some what to say, the audio player etc during a workout which starts and stops at regular intervals to indicate the break you need to take in between your workouts, and many such features we will be describing in the later part. So so let's get started with the dashboard first. So as usual, the scaffold, inside the scaffold let us have the body. Okay, so body, I'm going to give a single child scroll view option in order to have a scrolling view inside the page. Okay, inside the single child scroll view, as usual take this child which is the column because will be aligning the widgets one below the another, so it would be easy and nice if we use the column. Okay, so as for the column, let us have the cross axis alignment from the start. Okay, next the column will be taking children widget as you see. Okay, let us first give the container. Okay, before that let's wrap that container with clip path. Okay, clip path is that what you have seen the dashboard image, that curved one. For that we will be using the clip path. The clip path takes the clipper which is the class which we will be defining later. Okay, inside the container let us have a padding. Okay, the padding, edge inserts symmetrical. I want to give the horizontal. Is it show? Alright, okay, that is a value of 10 pixels. Okay, next let us give the height as 300 for, because I just this height indicates the height that you want that curve to be from the top. Okay, that height is 300 I'm giving, and width, let me give it as water width it can take up to the maximum, so let us give it as double dot infinity. Okay, and here comes the decoration. Okay, the decoration takes the box decoration. Okay, the box decoration, let us give the gradient colors because we need to have a combination of colors, so let's go for gradient. This is the linear gradient. Okay, and I need to begin that color from alignment dot top right, and I need to end that color in alignment dot bottom left. Okay, so just align it this one. Okay, and just give comma after each braces so that you do have a good looking and the alignment would be easy for you. Okay, so after that end, let us give the color. Okay, colors of an list color, the hex value would be 0x double f double 3 followed by 83 cd. should be somewhat blue, and again a color value of 0x followed by ff11249f, I think. Okay, which is sort of indigo. It should be okay. Just as usual, have a comma for the alignment. Okay, after that, let us have a child for that container. So the child is nothing but the column widget. So the column as usual has the okay, as usual as the children widget. Okay, take the children widget. So the first thing inside this is what we are going to have the values what you want to have inside that, some within that curved canvas, what you say. Okay, so let's define this clipper class. Okay, so you just need to give the clipper class outside the state class. Okay, let's give it over here. Okay, so it take the class my clipper, which extends custom clipper with path. Okay, and let's use this one, intelligence. Okay, nice. So inside that clip path, let's write the logic path. Take the path of. Okay, so the path dot line 2 from 0 to x value 0 to size dot height minus 80 should be. Okay, nice. And path dot one, yeah, this one with the value of size dot height. Sorry, it's not. Let's first give this width. Okay, width by 2, half of the width, and height, which is size dot height, and again this one followed by the same height value minus 80. Okay, just give it. After that, let's have the path dot line 2 of from size dot width to 0. Okay, and let's close that path. Okay, and we need to return that path here. Yeah, after that it's not written either the two of us, let's return it. Okay, let's just align it. Okay, so yeah, align it. Okay, right. So now we have just created that curved canvas as a beginning for the app. So just stay tuned to get the recent update regarding that app. Okay, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.